I've heard stories जहाँ पे पूरा जी जान लगा दिया है. He is the one and only. Give it up for John Abraham. Come on, you got to make some noise. Come on, yeah. Welcome, welcome, John. And now, ladies and gentlemen, she's a brilliant actress. We all love her. We all में मैंने अपना पहले I love you वाला लगाया हुआ है. So she is the one and only Diana Penty, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for her. The very gorgeous, the very talented. Welcome. So we'll have a quick photo op for you guys. Yeah.
Can I just call the others also first? Please. Yeah, this film wouldn't be complete without some of the other casts that are here. So I'm just going to call them up. And yeah, of course, yeah. So first of all, the heroes of this film also are the people who've written the screenplay and the dialogues of this film. Saivan and Sayukta, please come up. The casting director, Shruti. I would like to introduce all of them because I think they're very important to this film. Very important here, of course, are these wonderful people standing at the back. Anuja, please come up. Anuja Sathe. Aditya, please come up. इनके roles के बारे में आपको, when you see the film, you will get an idea. Vikas, where's Vikas and where's Ajay? तो इनकी दाढ़ी थी फिल्म में, अभी उन्हें निकाल दिया, पता नहीं क्या. Baman gives his love. He's off to London and he couldn't be here. Otherwise, he would have been here. So this is the entire cast and crew. And there are some more people who we've missed right now. I'm sorry. My marketing team, which is fantastic. The team, J Entertainment, Sayukta, Minakshi, fantastic. You really pushed it. And Varun, Mohit, Sahil of WWO, everyone has been absolutely fantastic. I'm sorry if I've missed some names, but I think we've been through a journey. So I think releasing this film is like conducting the nuclear tests. So we finally made it happen. And I just really want to thank all the people standing here. Sujay, fantastic. Thank you, Z, for standing by me. Mr. Rockman, Ajay Kapoor, he really stood by me through this entire process from the start. So each one of you, thank you so much for being here. It's very important that all of you are here. And you all made this really special. Chalo, mera speech ho gaya abhi. Now you want to just...
Rock star. Right. But as a producer, what do you have to say about him? You know? How good is he as a producer?
Complain.
I was thinking about it, but actually, no, I'll just be nice. No, he's exceptional. I mean, I feel like he has such clarity in terms of what he wants and, you know, in terms of his content as well, which is why I was really happy when I got a call from him asking me whether I'd like to be part of this film. And it's just a subject that, as Indians, I mean, every one of us ought to watch it just to know what happened and how we became a nuclear state. And so I, from that point of view as well, wanted to be part of this film in whatever small way I could, you know, even if it was just a little bit, but I just wanted to be there and to be able to tell the story. Yeah. And today when I watched the trailer, I got goosebumps. So the first time I'm seeing it complete. Okay. I mean, I've seen a rough cut, but I've not seen it with everything put together. And it was just, yeah, I felt really good about it. So
thank you so much.
Thanks for having me, guys.
That's amazing. Zordar taliyan ho jaye. Come on, make some noise. Yeah, we can do that. Okay, now
I can't believe that this day actually here. Actually, I'm still trying to get over the fact that we're actually here doing this today.
It is happening.
Yeah.
Been a process. Okay, so John, this one's for you. Please tell us, इतना वक्त क्यों लगाया यार इतनी अच्छी फिल्म आने में? Why did you do it? क्यों रोक के रखा था?
So, I mean, we are here finally. The producers are here. Everybody's here. It took us a bit of time, lekin I think everything happens for the best. And I think we want to bring positivity around the film. We want to speak about the good things about the film. We are not here to throw mud in anybody's face, so we want to keep it clean. And we want to speak about the credibility of everybody attached to this film. And just one thing I'd like to say is that, and for a lot of people here who are pretty young, and some of you who are probably Dinah's age also, you know, so anyway, I think the reason why today India's cool and every Indian feels he's cool and every youngster feels that India is a cool nation is because of what happened in Pokhran in 1998 on the 11th of May at 3:45. It's a history-defining moment for India, and I give the entire credit of conceptualizing this to, of course, Abhishek, because without the director, you cannot make. He's the captain of the ship. He's made a fantastic film, and of course, my screenplay writer and my dialogue writer. And my dialogue writer also happens to be the creative head of J Entertainment, so I'm lucky. So I think the entire credit goes there. And Abhishek, I think it's too early to say that we've made a good film, but we hope we made a fantastic film that all of you will enjoy.
As you said, there's a lot of positivity इसके around. We can see it, yeah. मतलब response से भी यहाँ पे दिखा. And when you people are talking about this project, तो वो दिख रहा है, आँखों में सबके दिख रहा है. So this is the movie, ladies and gentlemen, that will make all of us proud of our country. जितना हम हैं उससे और 10 गुना. And now we'll be proud of you जब आप अपने सवाल जवाब पूछ लेंगे. So over to you people.
Hi, जॉन सर आपके लेफ्ट में, सॉरी राइट में आलोक.
हाँ.
आलोक.
सर सवाल ये है कि पिछले दिनों हम लोग भी खबरें पढ़ रहे थे, दुनिया भर की कंट्रोवर्सी हो रही थी. आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे जब वो कंट्रोवर्सी चल रही थी, जहन में क्या चल रहा था?
Yeah, see, at the end of the day, Alok, after a point, it's not about a film anymore. It's about your credibility and it's about what you stand for. And I think we are vindicated for what we stood for. And I think that's important. But it's also a fantastic film, which I thought, being a creative person, you want a good film for the audience. You want the audience to see a good film. And I didn't want this to go without the audience seeing it. So we fought our way. We came here. We are standing here. And Abhishek is also, शायद आप लोग जानते नहीं, but he's also a legal person. So जब ही any move I had to make, I said, Abhishek, what do you think?
There my career goes right now.
He's saying, court ja, John, court ja.
What's the time? 3:55, 3:45 पे हुआ था.
So he stood by me through this entire process, and I think together we've made this happen. So controversies aside, सब लोग controversies को भूल जाते हैं. At the end of the day, it's the film and the quality of the film, Alok, that's going to speak. If this film's good, people will talk about it. If it's not good, people will not talk about it. So I think we're standing here because we think we've made a good film, and that's what we want to show the media. We've got 2 weeks to run this film in terms of promotions. Thank you, first of all, to the media for being here. We need all your support. Because we don't have the luxury of the kind of time that normal films do, but we have the luxury of a fantastic subject. So we want you to see something fantastic and enjoy this process.
जैसे जब आप मिशन पे हैं तो आप कृष्णा हैं और डायना नकुल हैं, तो ये किरदार ये कैसे महाभारत का कुछ सिस्टम है या मिशन पे क्या नाम एग्जैक्टली होता है, थोड़ा ये बताएं.
I think आप फिल्म देखिए आलोक, that's a very interesting twist in the film. आप फिल्म देखिए. All I can say is that we've really not deviated from the actual facts. तो अगर आप BARC की बात कर रहे हो या DRDO, ISRO, Intelligence Bureau, Army, whatever we're talking about, we've researched on everything before. We've sat in the office, we've researched, asked questions to ourselves. Can we deviate, take creative liberties? And the answer has always been no. You cannot really take so many creative liberties.
Yeah, the only thing that we have done is that the characters are fictional, but the plot is not. There's some plot points, of course, which one has to take in order to make it entertaining. But otherwise, I would say that whatever happened in the actual Pokhran was no less cinematic. And so we had enough material. And like I said, I never understood why nobody made a film in last 20 years. That's a long time. And like he said, this has been a defining moment for India. The story had to be told. Luckily, we were destined to tell it. So yeah.